ride has a story. Some are written in the dust and dirt, and some are in the roar of the engine. But the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 1200X, it's a story that begins before you even hit the road. It starts from the moment you lay eyes on it. Sleek, ride ready. The Scrambler 1200X doesn't just look the part. It feels like it was made for the unknown, for the paths less traveled. This is a bike that carries a legacy, but doesn't stay stuck in the past. And let me tell you, when you twist the throttle, the 1200X responds smooth yet raw. Yeah, it's the perfect balance between the modern technology and the classic spirit. The 1200cc twin engine hums the power, effortlessly conquering whatever the road or lack of it throws at you. Suspension, no problem. The show-off forks and the twin shock up the ante. When it comes to the handling, the tough stuff. And it's not just about the plush feel. It's about the control, every bump, every corner, every twist of the throttle, that the bike keeps you grounded, in tune with the world around you. When you need to enter the world of the tech, the Scrambler 1200 doesn't leave you behind. The TFT screen gives you everything you need at a glance. Turn-by-turn navigation, riding modes, and all the tech you expect in a modern bike. Then there's the sound, that deep throaty growl that follows you everywhere. It's not that loud for the sake of loud. It's purposeful. It's a reminder that you are not just riding a bike. You are riding a piece of history that's been reimagined for today's world. The suspension setup is designed to give you that perfect balance of the plush comfort on rough roads, while still maintaining a responsive controlled ride when you are hitting the trails. And the best part, the 1200X suspension is fully adjustable, preload, compression and rebound. So you can fine-tune it for your specific ride style or giving you a custom experience no matter where you are riding. The front fork offers 200 mm of travel, which is a huge plus when you are tackling uneven terrain or going off-road. That extra travel ensures that you glide over bumps without losing compression. Meanwhile, the rear suspension with the 200 mm of travel as well absorb the impacts from the potholes or off-road obstacles, providing a smooth and confident ride. Moving on to the handlebars, the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 1200X features a wide, high-rise handlebars that give you an upright, commanding riding position, perfect for both on-road comfort and off-road control. The shape and the height provide a great leverage, especially noticeable when you are maneuvering on loose surface or navigating tough trails. The wide bars allow for more control, especially when you are standing up on the pegs, and they really help you absorb the shocks from the rough trails. Combined with the ergonomics hand grips, the handlebars give you a comfortable, confident feel whether you are cruising highways or taking on a dirt roads. But when the day ends and the bike rests under the stars, you know that your journey is never truly over. The Triumph Scrambler 1200X doesn't just take you from the point A to the point B. It keeps you coming back for more, because every time you throw a leg over, you are not just starting your ride, you are writing the next chapter in your own adventure. If you are ready to make your own story, hit the road with the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 1200X. But remember, it's not just a bike, it's a journey, your journey.